Viruses and germs are abundant in the air around us all the time. They duplicate themselves rapidly and are very easily transmitted by air. As they are invisible to our eyes, it is not easy to remove them from the air. Air is one of the most common mediums for transmitting disease. We breathe in the air around us wherever we go, and if the concentration of germs is high, we have a very high chance of contracting disease. Disinfectant products in the market may not be very convenient to use, especially when we are on the move. They are generally unstable, and the sterilizing effect usually lasts for a short time. More often than not, the coverage of the disinfectant is limited. Usually, when pathogens enter our body, our immune system is compromised, and that is when we become sick. Therefore, minimizing contact with viruses and germs is an important aspect of staying healthy. AirDefense is designed to exterminate viruses and germs from the air around us. The AirDefence.Tag contains a combination of solid particles which, when exposed to humidity in the air, prompts a slow release of chlorine dioxide into the air. This gas is at a concentration which is totally safe for us, but deadly for pathogens in the air. Chlorine dioxide gas at 0.03 part per million will effectively kill germs and viruses. AirDefense adapts an age-old technology for everyday convenient use. One tag can be used effectively for 50 days, killing 99.9% of the pathogens in the air around you. AirDefense kills 99.9% of microorganisms within a 1-meter distance. When you wear the AirDefense tag, you will have a protective bubble around you wherever you go. The product is suitable for anyone to wear. The concentration of chlorine dioxide released from the AirDefense tag is potent enough to kill microorganisms, but well below the international threshold limit for toxic gas. WHO classifies chlorine dioxide as an A1 disinfectant with no limit indicated for daily intake, which means that there is no limit set for daily basis and no risk to health. When the AirDefense tag is exposed to the humidity, chlorine dioxide molecules, which are slowly released, are heavier than air, so they do not drift away quickly. These molecules float around the body and attach themselves to your clothes, eliminating any germs you come into contact with. Not only airborne pathogens, but also those adhering to surfaces are effectively eliminated. It works by penetrating the cell wall of viruses and causing the hydrolysis of proteins to amino acids. Due to this, it prevents protein formation. The virus is then either destroyed or rendered unable to reproduce. These viruses will then be unable to infect plants or animals. The chlorine dioxide can also kill germs and other microorganisms, as it can prevent them from synthesizing protein. Chlorine dioxide then reacts with the amino acid of the germ, which results in the germ being destroyed. Chlorine dioxide can also destroy the vital proteins within the cell of fungi. This means that the AirDefense tag is effective against bacteria, virus, algae, and fungi. The chlorine dioxide which is emitted from the AirDefense tag can also react with pollen particles or similar allergens, rendering them into harmless proteins. If it reacts with formaldehyde, formic acid is formed. This in turn reacts to remove odors and toxic gases like cigarette smoke. It prevents the one who is wearing it to infect others with influenza. Also helps relieve irritation for those with hay fever or allergic rhinitis. Because of this oxidizing power, chlorine dioxide can deodorize bad smells. It can oxidize the high levels of ammonia and hydrogen sulfide around waste, found in most waste dump sites. AirDefense, a timeless technology adapted for effective and safe use. A practical solution for critical times, giving peace of mind, knowing that your environment is safe and protected from the invisible foe.